All right, so I've had a few questions this morning about this. They've gone from black to green. What does that mean? They changed the color. That's what it is. Why? I don't. Back to fusion, so you can see less clearly. I'm not sure. Either way, we should be having a quake 21.5 ish. Quake map. Back. So now that they've changed the key, yes, I will be watching accuracy. So far, it looks like the same thing going on. This is fun. IMF lines with closed and the looping. Because that's all fucking absolute normal early IMF. So, yeah, I'm working on my fucking fan, alright? Yeah, my sound's fucked up. I gotta yell for you to hear me. Fun times. And we got crunch. Boom. It's very evident. Fucking magnetic pressure on the planet. Let's look at the plots. Seems to be active, slightly. Um, well, probably going to be more like yesterday, but a little bit more than yesterday, like the last 2 weeks. Not quite growing so slowly. We're down to 6 hours on the 24-hour quake map and sustaining that rate. Um, expect high fuckery, crazy weather, quakes, volcanoes to continue to pop and get exciting, especially around this time frame, as we are backfilled. We're looking at a fiver or better within a few minutes. Take it easy, folks.